Hello, this is going to be a practice video, and this video is really very much related to my previous video. If you haven't not watched that video, please go ahead and watch that video first, and you can solve these exercise easily. So you are going to have a boilerplate React code, and that means the starting code of React, all the imports and render method, etc. The second thing, you are going to create an unordered list that contain at least 3 items. Here are a couple of hints you can use as well. Now pause the video and do some practice. I believe you did it, and if you haven't not completed these practice, I am going to show you how you can do this thing. We are going to remove this hello world from here. As I removed, there is error comes that this render method has to pass another argument. We are going to do that, but for your understanding, let me explain a bit more technical that this is just the boilerplate code for React. In this we are going to import React and ReactDOM, and we have written this ReactDOM dot render method. That method is going to render some elements on this root. So this is just React boilerplate code, and we have a second point that we need to create an unordered list that contain at least 3 items. So I'm going to create a unordered list ul that contain at least 3 items. So I'm going to copy this thing and paste here. So now this is okay. Once I hit the save, this is going to be rendered on the browser. That here we have an unordered list that contain 3 elements on it. So you must got the point that how we can render the unordered list and some other elements here by using a JSX. Here is another point as I'm going to explain you that you can render ordered list as well. OL, we are having same 3 elements right here, let's suppose, but for the understanding we are going to use 3 2 1. As this is a simple ordered list, you can see, but here is a error that this render method is only responsible for rendering only a single element of JSX. So for doing that, we have to wrap this coding in a div. So now you can see the error has been gone, and we have the output here on the browser that it contains the first one is an unordered list, and the second one is an ordered list. We can do this by wrapping these 2 elements in a div, because this render method can only render a single element of JSX, no matter how much components we are having here, but we have to wrap these components or elements in a div, then that could be rendered here on this root. Hope you got the point that how we can render more than one element by using JSX, and you must be enjoyed with your practice as well. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.